Anybody is appearing on this matter? Item number 1.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 5, my lord.
What about 6 and 7?
My lord, I represent respondent number 4 and 5.
What about 6 and 7? Service is there.
7, I do not have any instructions, my lord.
The office note dated 29/10 29/10/2024 reveals that the service upon the respondent number 6 and 7 is not complete. So list the matter after completion of service.
Item number 2.
Anybody appearing? Item number 2. The office note dated 29/10/2024 reveals that the service upon the respondent number 5 and 6 is not complete. Accordingly, list the matter after completion of service upon the respondent number 5 and 6. And the government, have you filed the affidavit in this matter?
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 4. May I seek another 3 weeks' time for filing counter affidavit?
The state respondents are directed to file their affidavit within 4 weeks.
Okay.
For admission, item number 1.
Who is appearing in this matter?
Lordship, Lordship, I'm audible. I'm counsel for the petitioner. Lordship,
And my lord, I'm the counsel for the state respondents, my lord.
Your Lordship, this PIL pertains to the bad road conditions from Aizawl to Lunglei, which commonly used for the people for the southern sides of Mizoram. So it is very bad. Until now also, it is in dilapidated condition. After repeated many directions by this honorable court also. So as of now, the present status, Your Lordship, is that there is sanction of 3.6 crore for repair, recently sanctioned. So then, in this part, the last court order, the government advocate was asked to seek instruction from the concerned authority and to submit reports to the court.
Yes, we can see the order on 23/10/2024.
Exactly.
Wherein, Madam, you were asked to obtain instruction as to whether work is being implemented by the department concerned in terms with the approval.
Yes, my lord, I have just spoken with the concerned officials in the matter, and they have said that it is true that the money is sanctioned for the repair of the work for constructions of Lunglei Road. Now, the condition in Mizoram in this monsoon time, my lord, is
But
that
there is no monsoon. Now we are having no rains, nothing.
yes, but my lord, the aftermath of
Now, how are you
monsoon.
giving this particular work to somebody? You have to float some tender or something? Have you done anything to that effect? Who is going to do the work?
My lord, that I will have to obtain instructions. I have
No,
obtained
that is the
instructions
work-
only on the
that
amount
was
of money.
That is why the court had fixed the matter on 20 to today. After 23/10, 7 days time, we are only granted to you that kindly look to obtain instructions as to whether after the approval of the 3.6 crores for the purpose of restoration of this work, of the work, have you done anything to that effect? What is your update?
My lord, as of now, the instructions that I have received is that work is ongoing because it was ongoing from they have done the construction work from Saski scheme and then from different source. For that they have floated the contract tender, my lord, and then respondent number 5 could not be called to this court, even though many attempts have been made. So the security deposit that they have put to they have made to the government is now
What is the
utilized and sanctioned and
what is the
authorized.
work of the respondent number 5? They are the contractors.
They are the contractor, my lord.
Then why
They
the
are the
work?
contractor.
You file your affidavit. Who is paying for the respondent number 5?
He cannot be called, my lord. Many attempts have been made. Even when there was a sitting in with the Honorable Chief Justice, SP Superintendent Police was directed to get the notice also affected. But then
Anyways, now you have been accorded an approval of 3.6 crores. Now,
Yes.
on the basis thereof, if this person cannot be located or this Bhavia Company Private Limited could not be located, that is another aspect. But what are you going to do with that amount of money? Are you not going to do? Otherwise, you have to give it to somebody else.
my lord, the contractor for that I do not know, but then for the respondent number 5, his security deposit is now authorized and approved to be utilized for the repairment, and for that I have already submitted my affidavit, my lord.
Now, everything is understood, madam. You were asked to get an updated instruction as regards the implementation of the work pursuant to the according of the approval. What have you done is what is we are concerned. We ask you to file an affidavit next week. File an affidavit next week, bring on record what is the steps being taken. File an affidavit pursuant to
Yes.
when was the according, when was the 3.6 crores accorded?
Yes,
Approval
my lord.
accorded?
My lord, may I please one more?
Huh?
May I please make one submission?
Yes.
If you kindly see order 9/8/2023, Lordship, it is very clear. Everything they claim that they constructed, they have been repairing, but if you see the order of the court observation of this honorable court, 9/8/2023 by Justice Michael, it at the middle of the para number 3. However, from the basic issue, this is very clear. The status of the road as of now also. The whole crux of the case is here observed in this order. Order 9/8/2023. From para number 3.
We are at the fag end of 2024 till now. In spite of those orders, nothing has been done by the government.
Yes, exactly, Lordship, exactly. Even yesterday only, I request my client to take photos, and they send me the photos. If you see the photos, it is horrible. And
So,
even
my lord, after that I have if you see, my lord, our additional affidavit, we have done several work
Oh,
constructions.
the retention money was only 1.92
No, my lord,
crores.
it's not only the retention money, work done also is already,
When was the sanction of this 3.6 crore happened?
that
It is
happened.
there. No, no,
Everybody
I
is
have
saying
given
that
you
there
the
is an
copy
amount of
also.
rupees 3.6 crore
It-
have been already accorded, but you have no idea on that, the government.
22nd July 2024.
Recently only.
Now, 22nd of July, if because your department does not have, I don't think they have the manpower to do their work on its own. You have to float a tender, you have to get it done through some contractor, or are you going to do it by yourself?
My lord, the repairing works that is done for respondent number 5 is undertaken by the department, my lord.
Whatever may be, who is going to do? These are repairing works which is required to be done. File your affidavit. We have it on
Yes, my
again.
lord. Yes.
On 6th of November, on 13th of November, you file your affidavit as regards along with the sanction letter and
Yes.
what are the steps being taken towards the repairing of the restoration of this work from 100 kilometer, 100 cheney's, 100 to 143 kilometers.
Yes, my lord.
This court, by an order dated 23/10/2024, sought instructions from the learned government advocate as to whether the work in respect to the restoration of the Aizol-Tenzol-Lunglai Road, bracket 100.00-143.00 kilometers, bracket close, have been implemented pursuant to the administrative approval with expenditure sanction of rupees 3.6 crores. The learned government advocate has submitted that in the month of July 2024, the said administrative sanction has already been granted. Full stop. It is, however, it is relevant to mention that in spite of the order dated 23/10/2024, the learned government advocate have not been able to place before this court as to what work have been implemented. Accordingly, we fixed this matter on 13th of November 2024, thereby directing the state government to file an affidavit bringing on record as to what steps are being taken pursuant to the approval so granted for the purpose of restoration of the road in question. Full stop. The details along with the photographs as to what type of works have been done be brought on record in the affidavit. Please take
Much
note.
obliged, Your Lordship.
The petitioner is also given the liberty to file an additional affidavit bringing on record the present state of the road in question.
With Lordship, that's good order. Lordship.
You file it and bring it on.
That's exactly, Lordship.
For hearing item number 2.